Welcome back. So yes, you guys, today we are gonna make a grilled chicken, rotisserie chicken salad. You guys, it's quick and simple, easy to go to type of meal. So yes, you guys, how is everybody doing today? Good, because your girl is back. Okay, I hope all of you guys are loving on my apron. This was my birthday present from Yo-Yo, who is always in the comment area, who is actually my sister, you guys. So yes, I really enjoy it. So we're going to start off with us a fresh express bag of salad, you guys. And we're going to open it up because this is a quick and simple salad. Okay, nothing major. Because if you saw my steak video, then you know this salad went with that meal. You guys. Whew. Let's inspect our salad. Because I don't like big chunks. Not at all. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to chop up some rotisserie chicken breast, because that's the meat I like to use. And it's just quick and simple. Easy go to a meal. You know, to each his own. And I like this rotisserie chicken as well. And yeah. So if you like my videos, please hit that subscribe button. Come join the fam. I would love to have you. We don't need a lot of meat. Okay, just a little more. Okay, just a little more. And like I said, this is quick and simple. You can add whatever dressing you like. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to get the cucumber. How many of you guys like cucumbers in your salad? I think that's enough. And we have a Roman tomato. You know what? Yeah, I'm going to dice it the long way. This is going to be so delicious. And we also have some McCormick salad seasoning. Now this is what is going to make the salad pop. We also have some shredded cheese. You guys, I got to take my glove off. We also have some shredded cheese that we got to sprinkle on top. And that's it. And that is a quick and simple salad. So yes, you guys, share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. And yes, come join the fam. I would love to have you. Doesn't that look delicious? And it didn't take long at all. So we have some steaks to go with it. You guys, some T-bone steak. Well, that's not T-bone. Let me stop. That's not. That's chuck roast, I believe it is. But anywho, refer to the video in the description. It will tell you. So until then, from my house to yours, Goodbye.